Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking core prerequisites: schedule, commute, and a reliable sleep plan. Set a consistent sleep block of 6-8 hours. This stabilizes circadian rhythm so you function. Once done, assemble your kit: protein snacks, 500 ml water, and a caffeine strategy, 100 mg early in the shift, avoid and last 4 hours. Finally, confirm a 20-minute backup commute and an alert contact. These first actions reduce fatigue, cut last-minute stress, and get you ready to work safely. You now manage the shift with clear structure. Break your time into 90-120-minute focused blocks and make 10-15-minute active breaks to move and refuel. This sustains alertness. Use bright light exposure, 5,000 to 10,000 lux, during the first half to support alertness, then dim lights later to ease the transition. Rotate tasks. Tackle complex work early, moderate tasks mid-shift, and light admin as you approach the end. These choices maintain performance. You finish the night by prioritizing recovery. Create a 20-30-minute wind down in low light. Avoid screens for 45 minutes before your sleep block so melatonin can rise. If you're extremely tired, take a controlled 20-30-minute nap during an early break. Do it only once to avoid sleep fragmentation. Once done, keep your sleep-wake times consistent within 60 minutes on off days to stabilize rhythm. If insomnia appears, reduce afternoon caffeine and reassess light exposure as a troubleshooting step to restore sleep.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.